The automation delay tool holds a step until the right moment, instead of running it instantly. You can pause on your own custom schedule. Setting it up takes 3 clicks. Click the plus button right before the step you want to hold, so the pause happens after the previous action and before the next one. Search for automation delay and select it from the logic tools. Choose Schedule Delay and click Continue. From here you get 4 ways to schedule: every day, weekdays, days of the month, and specific dates. Use every day for a window that repeats daily. For example, don't message clients at night. Pause from 22 to 9 o'clock and messages go out in the morning. Use weekdays to set a schedule per day of the week, or toggle weekdays only or weekends only in one click, so weekend requests simply wait until Monday. Use days of the month to pick dates that repeat monthly, handy for reporting close days when data should wait before hitting your ERP. And use specific dates for one-off exceptions. Mark holidays or vacation days on the calendar. Add a schedule delay to any automation and run every step exactly when you want, without losing incoming data. Learn more in the description below.